Hello, friends, wherever you are. This is my maybe innovative way of playing Yellow Bird. I did some time ago, but I came to an idea of how to make it more interesting. I think. Okay, I have told you the rhythm that I use and the chord. Well, it depends on you. It depends on your vocal cord. Some people have wide range of, you know, ability to produce high pitch. Well, I started from chord D on my ukulele. Okay, it's like this. Okay. I guess you know when you can start it from C, for example, where to go to F to G. If you start from F, for example, you go to C to B flat. Okay, here I use D major D, just the same as the previous one. Yeah, the change is in the use of chord. Yeah. Okay, here it is. Yeah, over up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Did your ladybird leave the nest again? That is very bad. Makes me feel so sad. You can fly away in the sky away. You're more lucky than me. I also had a lady friend. She's not with me today. They're all the same, those pretty girls. Take tenderness, then they fly away. Yellow bird up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Better fly away in the sky away. Picker coming soon. Pick from night to noon. Black and yellow you like banana too. They may pick you someday. Wish I were a yellow bird, I'd fly away with you. But I am not a yellow bird, so I sit, nothing I can do. So I sit, nothing else to do. Okay, there it is, yeah. So the change goes to from D, the tonica, to D flat. Yellow bird. That's all the difference. I think it sounds more interesting. I don't know. Okay. I thank you. I hope you can study something from it. Maybe it's of some use to you. Thank you, friends, for watching this video.